Hello and welcome back to Supercar. If you're a proud new owner of the stunning 2025 Dacia Duster, or you're thinking about getting one, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving deep into the one topic that will save you money, time, and headaches down the road: Duster 2025 maintenance. We'll cover everything from service schedules to DIY checks and what to look out for with the new hybrid models. Before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Let's get started. Ever wondered why car maintenance is so crucial? Think of it like a gym membership for your car. Consistent effort today prevents major problems tomorrow. The foundation of good car ownership is a solid service schedule. For the 2025 Dacia Duster, the official recommendation is an annual service or every 20,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. This is a critical point, especially for those who don't drive as much. Don't think just because you haven't hit the mileage mark that you can skip a year. The first service, often called a minor or A service, typically involves an oil change, a new oil filter, and a comprehensive vehicle check. This is all about refreshing the car's core fluids and making sure everything is in tip-top shape. As you approach the 40,000 kilometer or 2-year mark, you'll be looking at what's called a major or B service. This includes everything from the minor service, but also adds a new cabin filter, new spark plugs, and a more in-depth inspection of your brakes, suspension, and exhaust system. The goal here is to replace components that have seen a bit of wear and tear, making sure your Duster remains reliable for the long haul. What if I told you that, honestly, just a few minutes of your time could save you from an expensive repair bill? Maintaining your Duster isn't just about what the garage does, it's about what you do in between services. The great news is, there are several simple checks that every Duster owner can perform themselves. We're talking about basic fluid checks. The Duster's engine bay is designed to be accessible, so check your oil level regularly using the dipstick. Make sure your brake fluid reservoir is topped up to the correct line, and check your coolant level. Another easy one? Tire pressure. Having the correct tire pressure improves your fuel economy and extends the life of your tires. You can also easily check your tire tread depth using the classic penny trick. Just a quick check can make a huge difference to your safety and your wallet. So, the 2025 Duster isn't just a regular car, it actually comes with new tech. But do you know how these modern marvels affect your maintenance? Let's talk about it for a second. This is where the 2025 Duster really changes the game. The new model comes with a few different engine types and their maintenance needs are, well, slightly different. First, there's the Eco G100, the bi-fuel LPG model. The beauty of this is its low running cost, but it does have an extra component that needs attention: a gas filter. This filter needs to be replaced at specific intervals to ensure the LPG system runs smoothly. Then, there's the groundbreaking Hybrid 140. This is a big one. The hybrid system means the car's engine isn't running constantly, which can actually reduce wear and tear on components like the brakes. However, the hybrid system itself requires specific attention. The high-voltage battery system, for instance, should only ever be serviced by a Dacia-certified mechanic. You should also avoid using a high-pressure washer directly on the hybrid components. It's really a case of understanding the new technology and knowing when to call in the professionals. When something goes wrong, what does it actually cost to fix it? Let's take a look at some real-world numbers. We've talked about what you should do, but let's talk about what you might have to do. While the Duster is a reliable vehicle, every car has its quirks. Early owner reports have highlighted minor infotainment glitches or cabin rattles, but nothing major. When it comes to recalls, there have been none for the 2025 model yet, which is excellent. However, you should always check for yourself. The official Dacia website has a VIN checker that can tell you if your specific car is subject to any recalls. It's a quick free check that every owner should perform. Now, for the big question, cost. Based on official Dacia service guides, a minor A service will likely run you somewhere around 200 to 250 pounds. A major B service can be closer to 350 to 400 pounds, depending on what needs to be replaced. For bigger jobs, like a new timing belt on a non-hybrid model, you can expect a cost of around 600 to 700 pounds. These are just estimates, of course, but they give you a good idea of what to budget for. So, what's the one golden rule of Duster maintenance? The 2025 Dacia Duster, with its enhanced features and diverse powertrain options, represents a compelling value proposition in the SUV market. However, maximizing its longevity, performance, and retaining its value hinges critically on a proactive and informed approach to maintenance. The shift towards more complex hybrid and mild hybrid systems, coupled with advanced electronics, really elevates the importance of adhering to manufacturer-recommended service schedules and understanding the nuances of each powertrain's specific needs. Consistent annual or mileage-based servicing, whichever comes first, is not merely a suggestion but a fundamental requirement for preventing premature wear and tear and ensuring warranty validity. This dual approach accounts for both time-induced degradation and usage-based stress on vehicle components. The Dacia network, with its factory-trained technicians, genuine parts, and specialized diagnostic equipment, plays an indispensable role in providing the precise, manufacturer-specified care that these modern vehicles demand, especially for high-voltage hybrid systems and complex electronic components. Owners are empowered to perform several essential DIY checks, such as monitoring tire pressure, fluid levels, and basic cleanliness, which contribute significantly to the vehicle's overall health and can lead to long-term cost savings. However, recognizing the limitations of DIY and knowing when to seek professional intervention for complex diagnostics, major repairs, or recall-related work is crucial for safety and maintaining the vehicle's integrity. Awareness of common reported issues such as gearbox faults, electrical glitches, and DPF blockages equips owners to identify potential problems early. Furthermore, regularly checking for official recall campaigns via the VIN is a non-negotiable aspect of responsible ownership, ensuring that any safety-related defects are rectified promptly and free of charge. Ultimately, the Dacia Duster 2025 is engineered for durability and value. By embracing a disciplined maintenance regimen, prioritizing quality parts, adopting responsible driving habits, and leveraging the expertise of the Dacia-approved network, owners can confidently ensure their vehicle delivers reliable, efficient, and enjoyable performance for many years, truly embodying the Duster's rugged spirit and practical appeal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow Duster owner. Don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more in-depth reviews and guides. We'll see you in the next one.